Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Danko. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD, Tommy.
Oh, Stibo, I'm not, man. Oh no, by the way, this dedication after the last video that we made, go Escodini, go Orlando. In fact, it's a dedication to a fan, Takani, who also took a picture or a video. I can go TikTok, something like this. So, but anyway, I don't. Since Kinsama Vito Abuima, I don't want to disclose who understand. Ministerial positions. Let me not disclose my Vito Abatuaba Holo.
Exactly.
Just to reduce the level of jealousy. But anyway, this is the right time. Who has lost in Mamelodi Sundowns, because when people are winning, they gain arrogant. There's nothing that you can tell them. They feel that you hate them each time you try and advise them.
Yes.
And you just hate the team. Of which, by hating Mamelodi Sundowns as football supporters, that would be unfair to football and stuff. If you can remember, Tibo, I don't know if Umutoshabela did Tabana, but there was a certain political leader who once bought an expensive house in Sandton, and then that political leader, Iwi Santluele. And then because the neighbors didn't know who was now owning the house, they called the old owner to say, why are you always unclear how? So the guy said, no, I just sold the house. And then no, your house has been demolished. Arno, I sold the house, but I don't think it can be demolished. He drove back because he was in the area, in disbelief. He went back to watch, and he found the house was really demolished. What I'm trying to say is, here, there was an expensive house in Sandton, in Mamelodi Sundowns. It's demolished. And if you were to call the previous owner and say the house that you had built is now demolished, he would be very much disbelief. He would be in disbelief that he'd have to drive from Morocco, if not fly from Morocco, to really come back and witness the lies or the dream that people would be telling him in Roland Mokoena. Personally, I know that people would be saying, I hate Roland Mokoena, and I don't. I remember there was a friend who bumped into me and said, hey, Bakubile Roland, I cannot celebrate another man who loses Msebetsi. But again, I did allude to his character, and I'm not apologetic for that. It feels like children were in a beautiful house. Lemme wabona. Hukeni rabaiki.
Wena. Rabaiki. Rabaiki man.
No, I'm saying bana bako situation in they have to learn about rabaiki. You know, when you change things, you have to do them chronologically. I'm just saying, do things step by step.
Dictionary.
Oscar change dilo just like that.
Drastically.
Just drastically. I can see where he wants to take the team, Mangoba Mngiti.
Yes.
But there's a level of arrogancy that's hidden within him. That he wants to display what he's capable of immediately.
Yes.
And what he should be doing is, he was supposed to gain confidence of Mamelodi Sundowns management, of Mamelodi Sundowns fans, and also Alwan said the noise that would be coming from the opposition. So that he also gains confidence and momentum within time, so that he can change this team into what he wants it to be. But you cannot come, Kaltatle one, who break everything. Grow gradually. And then ukenye system ya how as time progresses. Unlike for when or Uzama who change everything at once. You understand? That's why even other parties at Kenya were black empowerment. It's because now you understand that black people were robbed of somehow, but now you are trying to make them jail. But one would not understand because this is PhD analysis. We are no longer talking about football, and we are still talking about football. Roland Mokoena was starting play from the back. And what he did, Hakala play from the back, he would start those 1,000 passes from the back. And what you do, he would add numbers at the back and start playing from the back until you are invited into attacking them. And when you attack them, they wouldn't really quickly take out the ball. They would still convince you they are playing the ball from the back. If you are dropping one person, two, and then you would even forget. That's when they would hit you with a transition, and then babule by sighting, and then again I don't know by sighting, but he said the crosses car. If it does not result into a goal, they wouldn't be desperate to take shots. They would still score.
Tammy,
there's not Mamel, Oscar Disturber.
You think South Africans must listen to you?
No, but
you are a liar, Mfethu. You are a liar. Now I'm here. I'm gonna say this. Okay, continue, Mfethu.
Chance.
Waka. Ari,
Continue.
Wena no bolela ka rulane noto. No no bolela ka rulane nice. Ari,
Mfethu.
Yeah, za to change go utlweletse. Tswela pele ya mara ke tlo maraba ke mo. Ngaze marabe go bari.
Commenting.
Yeah,
I'm here.
What's our audience yaka ha se batho fela.
Ya le nam here.
And o disturb batho.
Ke disturb mo I'm here.
Re ke bue just ke tlo tsena ke le ba.
Bolele sanda wana na bolele mapa.
But this is rhetoric.
I'm here. Tswela pele.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what he would do. Remember Coach Manqoba Mngqithi, when Coach Peter Msimang Aluko Sundowns and he wanted to be fired. This is the coach who came, and people must never underestimate the knowledge and the brains of Manqoba Mngqithi in terms of football. Those things have underlined the emotional intelligence to make this team gel and not change it immediately. Remember when Coach Peter Msimang came here under level 3, he hired Manqoba Mngqithi who had the same qualification. This is the brilliance of Peter Msimang. Remember, Peter Msimang's greatest anchorman was the late Thomas Madikage, who would enjoy to be an assistant coach. So he lacked someone like Manqoba Mngqithi, who's more humble, composed, and not someone who is there for positions in Manqoba Mngqithi. So he found Manqoba Mngqithi to be that anchorman, or Atlo Mthusa. He's the one, and people must never lie to you. Manqoba Mngqithi has played a pivotal role into making Mamelodi Sundowns the team that he is, because he has saved Peter Msimang. There's nothing that Sundowns is doing modern football that Manqoba Mngqithi is not doing or does not know. He knows everything. I tending this Sundowns. It's just that he was not given the right credit or the necessary credit for this. And we know Huri, he's going to fail because he wants to prove a point, or this is the system that I'm going to play. But let me tell you something that the Cape Town Stelis did. This is a team, let me tell you, I once said, because Batwasa Mameli, Stelis is ran like an European team. You can take the whole team, Stelis. They would still remain because they have a structure. It's like Vastada Boloka Buka. Do you understand? You can take the whole team, they'll still bring the right personnel. Let me tell you, they tried to build up from the back, never presser from the back. Those break, and let me tell you, you can check Limo PSL, even in modern football, you will hardly find a midfielder or a central midfielder who is a left footer. I'll give you the PhD analysis why. You will never find, for example, like your Tito Patrick Masonga left. Kibua Kamudiva. He's only effective Hadala from Okaro Dala ko winging. Hoba as a right back, not left as back. A left back, or maybe Adala Okaro Dala ko right back and cutting ka left. Umone Hakata ka left. He was able to take a shot. what Mangoba Mniti is doing, o batla o dlala bolo ya more than 15 years ago. This is now, we're no longer playing that football. I'm not saying he's incapable.
Yes.
You cannot, let me tell you, you can scrutinize this, ne? There's no team in PSL or anywhere else in the world unless you've got that player who's very smart. And it's not because Mudiba is not that smart to play. Because remember, a left footer, he has to open his body every time I hit a pass. If you find a left footer ball or so, it's very difficult to set the ball to the opposite direction because he has to change. He's got only the weakest right. Do you understand? That's why you'll never find Pirates in Dalakalundu. You'll never, even Chiefs, even Leona Sundowns. This is what I'm talking about. You are there to serve. You understand? Lady chef, in fact, you didn't like lady twarang di plate kayona. And as a left footer, okase tware plate in that way. There's a walk, there's how you handle the ball. Kitsila ya wisa, ya dropper mfano. Do you understand? Because you are playing him in a wrong position.
Exactly.
And in a role that is very crucial to make this team play. People will, the system that is now played here is not good for Themba Zwane, who has mastered this system that has been played in the last 10 years. Themba Zwane on his own can make Sundowns play and can make his tick, can make this team tick. What's that? Why, Mamel?
Why?
The problem is now he won't be as effective. Why? Because that Haiba Dumelur Adalen Totel it's a high. Badala Bolo Jwang Bayamakwa, Badala the Duprees 1, 2, 3 goal. That's how they want to play. And it's not good for Themba Mshishu because he needs to connect with players and make the whole team plays. You understand? That's why they won't score. Again, Shalulile got a chance, pass a diagonal pass. Instead of running more with that goal, because the more you run with that goal, ear wide. The goalkeeper watchwa. The more you run with it, watchwa. And then you back more thing. That's what we were supposed to do. But again, like I'm saying, Mushishi won't be needed in the route now Sundowns. And Mushishi is the one who knows this tactic, Sundowns. That's the only player that still hold the culture of Sundowns, the previous Sundowns from last season going back. And Lauka Mukenya know. Let me tell you, Mshishi is not happy. The Mshishi that we know could have easily scored those chances still winning today. Mshishi will never miss one-on-one. Let me tell you why he's not happy. Mshishi Ramtsiba, even
one-on-one.
Why?
And Mshishi is my player for it. So Mshishi will never miss one-on-one.
No, he missed. That's why you're missing.
Don't say he will
That's
never.
why you're unable to listen to context.
I'm listening.
I'm saying the Mshishi that we know, that we know, isn't this one that we know, a happy Mshishi.
He's happy.
He could have buried those ones.
My man.
Even Mauban. Even the last interview, I told them, because the left ear is not open to listen to what we are saying. Every time we try and advise them, they take it as hate. And it's not hate, it's because we are born into it. We are not, we are independent thinkers. We don't need to refer somewhere to think. We don't Google. Do you understand? Or we are independent thinkers. That's why nobody now how I analyze about the team in the low block. You know why? It's a creme work.
I'm here. Stivo, I was here. He was there googling. I was like,
and let me tell you.
So don't lie to the
players.
I was here.
The players that are signed at Sundowns. The players that are playing at Sundowns, they are not meant for this system.
Boma.
Structure. And let me tell you now, the most intelligent people in life will tell you to master something you need 10 years. You count the hours. These people has been practicing those short passes, this Brazilian kind of play. And again now,
Where were you?
they'll have to wait for 10 years to master this. I'm telling you.
Time I'm here. Kito araba jo. No le guy. Or 10 years in ba practice.
Kere 10 years.
No le guy when. Nan ke le tengo sanda. No le guy when. O le pare dem.
Kere, this kind of system that you're playing.
Yeah.
You will need 10 years to master it.
We will need.
Yes. And this is not the culture ya Mamelodi Sundowns re tsebang rona. Ya
Nara eats when I eat.
ya bo Isaac Shai.
And
Asiyona.
Bubansi Mapele.
And again, this time you will little need a sponsor at Dispring because little package show. Sponsor salona sa Dispring.
Lena, not Rena.
Aso karvale mutata ba disba shorona. Aso karvale mutata ba.
What is the talking time?
And by the way, still continues. Understand? This is not the culture. This is not the Brazilian
I'm here. Bon, give me. I'm here for. Yeah.
I think you got your point across.
Yeah, for this.
My man of the match would be this unscrupulous behavior that has been displayed and is just showing how Mamelodi Sundowns behaves, fans behave. This is the man of the match. You take your man of the match. This is my man of the match.
This is a nice glass. It's got flowers. You have never seen this, you know?
Are you gonna buy this with your million from MTN?
Sharp.
No, I don't.
Now I was here for Tammy.
What will you buy with the
Tammy? I'm here. What's the
regular box here Dispring.
Josie.
Yeah.
$1 million MTN.
Yeah.
For
ke braya ka ke fela ona le bothata ba re ho ile speaker mo tlo mara ke braya
so sa le bala o dial star 144 star 8 hash recharge ka 10 rand fela
Sibos 441 for me Sibos